I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be these super cute Casper nails. I love Casper, the friendly ghost. He's so freaking bomb. So I thought I really wanted to do a simple hand painted set, but something super cute, so that's what I went with. If you want to see this video, then obviously keep on watching. So I'm showing you numerous Elite acrylic art powders here, but I didn't decide to use them all in the end. Once I'd finished kind of doing the first nail, I was like, well, I don't really need to use all of these blues. So in the end, I just used Houdini, which is the black acrylic, and Sapphire, which is the pre-mixed glitter acrylic in the deep blue colour that I'm showing you guys now. The brush that I'm using is the Rainbow Aqua brush in a size 12, and we have them available on the website right now. So if you want to check them out, then I'll have them down below for you guys. I'll have the website linked and all of the items that I use. So if you want to search multiple items, then you know exactly what was in this video. This brush is a flat oval and the ferrule is crimped, so it really makes the bristles sit nicely, and it's amazing for precision application. So I've already applied my extreme tips and trimmed them down to size, and I've just buffed them. This one was buffed a little bit too rough, but the others were just literally buffed the shine off. And now I'm coming in with my design. So I'm using Houdini black acrylic at the cuticle area, and I do try a little bit of blues randomly, and decided to just stick with Houdini and the Sapphire glitter. So you'll see that, and I'll do the whole process on all of the nails because I wanted to keep this super simple and easy. Now I would rock this set just as it is without the hand painted art. It looked freaking bomb. The colours were just gorgeous, perfect for winter and Halloween as well, depending on obviously your costume. But if you want to see what how this is created really, then you guys obviously need to keep watching. You need to see the process and see how awesome it is. Initially, just so you know the thought process that I was going through, with this I was going to do like a night sky, like a night, you know, Halloweeny kind of sky with the Casper ghost silhouette. And I was like, it didn't kind of work the way I wanted to once I'd put the Sapphire glitter. So I was like, I'll save that for another time, and this time I'm just going to go with a simple glitter ombre. It could have worked, but I don't know, I added that glitter and it kind of took over because it's such a rich, full glitter. It's so stunning, and I loved it anyway, so I was like, let's roll with it. So I just apply the Sapphire to the tip and blend over the black. And can we just appreciate how beautiful and buttery this black acrylic is? The workability for the Elite art powders is honestly gorgeous. I love working with them, and I know that it's my own range. Obviously I developed this system and I mix every single colour. I test every single colour before it's gone into like mass production, before we mix a huge batch of it, and I just absolutely love every single one. So you guys know that you are going to be getting the best of the best, and if there's something that is not quite the best, I would like to know about it. So please do tell me if you discover anything that you're not happy with, because I will be sure to deal with it promptly. So yeah, I'm just applying that Sapphire pre-mixed glitter acrylic to the tip and ensuring that I blend it nice and evenly across the nail. And I'll continue that process on all the nails, and then I'll be back. Also guys, we are starting a family channel, so I'm super excited for that. So I think what I'm going to do is upload some videos to my main channel, which is this one, and then I'll upload all the other videos to our family channel, which is The Awesome Andrews. I'll link it in the description box for you guys, and possibly on the screen. I'm not sure if I can do that, but we'll see. If not, it'll be down below. And we are also The Awesome Andrews on YouTube as well, so we're going to have some fun vlogs and videos. We actually did already upload one. I am going to upload it to this channel just because it's the first one, and I thought I'd love to share it with you guys and kind of announce that, and then you guys can just see it. because it was so fun, and we actually super loved it. We always love everything that we do as a family, but being able to share it with you guys as well is obviously super fun, because I know that you guys do enjoy it. And I know that a couple of years ago when me and Babes did a few challenge videos, you guys loved them so much, and ever since you've just been saying like, please make more videos, so we decided to do it. We've got another tripod on the way so that we can both kind of vlog and film, because obviously at the moment we're just fighting over one tripod for the phones, and that's just crazy. But yeah, we're gonna have fun. It's gonna be freaking epic. Also guys, don't forget to thumbs up this video and share it if you are enjoying it so far. I really loved making this set, and I'm so just happy that I'm managing to continue uploading for you guys. Like, it seems like a miracle. So once I'm finished with applying all of my glitter and acrylic, I'm coming in with crystal clear, and I'm going to encapsulate all of the nails and ensuring I build structure and strength. We want to make sure that we have an apex, and I like to do this more towards the cuticle area when I've got a longer length nail, just to really make sure that once those nails start growing out, obviously they're all already extra long, so that apex further towards the cuticle area is really going to help balance and structurize that nail, give it more strength, and just ensure that it lasts until your client comes for the next fill. So crystal clear acrylic is gorgeous to work with. As I said, my entire system is pretty bomb. I know it sounds like I'm like bragging or something, I don't know, whatever, I don't even care. It is what it is. It's freaking bomb. If it wasn't bomb, it wouldn't be on the website, and I wouldn't be using it, and I wouldn't be sharing it with you guys. It would literally just be out of the door in the bin. Toodle pip, don't want to see it again. But honestly, it's freaking gorgeous. I cannot like tell you guys how much I love it. I wish I could send like free sample packs to the entire world. Unfortunately right now I literally don't have the budget to do that. I mean, there's a lot of you guys in the world, but we'd love to be able to offer that at some point. Probably not. I'm just dreaming, but hey, a girl can dream. Also guys, I just wanted to let you know that the super scrapers are going to be back in stock very, very soon. I love this tool. It's amazing. It's gorgeous. It's freaking bomb. You guys loved it. It sold out so quick, so we had to get them made extra fast. even though it hasn't been that fast, but we had to get more made. And hopefully they're back in stock now. If not, they'll be back in stock very, very soon. So don't forget to sign up for updates on the website. Okay guys, I'm just coming in with the Nail Mate double-ended liner brush, and this brush is 100% pure Kolinsky hairs. It's perfect for detailing and obviously line work. I'm just using some gel paints and I'm painting Casper the Friendly Ghost. I am using an image off Google and just kind of trying to copy that off of my iPad. It's been a while since I've done things like this, so it's kind of crazy. I feel like it turned out okay. It could have been so much better, but I feel like with more practice and the more characters I do, it's just gonna look more bomb. So I was kind of happy with this. I'm also using the Nail Mate oval brush, the double-sided one again, and I'm using that just to fill in, just because it'd take me all day long if I was using the liner brush. And both of these brushes at the moment are actually on sale, so you can get them at a discounted price. And don't forget that I will leave them linked for you guys down below, so if you want to check them out, then please do so. So I started off first by just applying a white base, and once I'd applied my white base, I flash cured it in the lamp. I then came in with another white base, but before curing I added the kind of black to add any shadowing or detailing where I wanted to add it. Once I was happy with the shadowing that I'd added, I just flash cured that again. After flash curing, I came in with the black drawing gel, and I'm just basically outlining my piece and adding any extra details and features. So once I finished hand painting, I fully cured in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I'm coming in with super gloss top gel, and I'm going to go ahead and gloss all those nails. We're going to make those girls come to life, and they looked freaking gorgeous. Like, what? Literally loved that combination so much, so freaking much. If you love how this turned out, then definitely please give this video a thumbs up and share it as well. And also, just leave me a comment down below if you've seen Casper, the movie, because it's freaking bomb. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until next time, always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Goodbye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.